Hey, welcome to the channel. This is Jazz. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a body scrub using 3 ingredients that you can find around your house. So the first one is olive oil, and I use this Central Market one from H-E-B. It could be extra virgin or not virgin. And then I use extra granulated sugar and just any coffee that you have at home. And I use the Verona from Starbucks. So we're going to get started, and I measured out already the 3 ingredients that I need. So the first is sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and the second is going to be 1 cup of coffee, and next is going to be 1/4 cup of oil. So we're going to go ahead and mix these ingredients. You can use your hand or you can use anything if it courses you out. And you can kind of see here what we got. Here we got that. You can use a little bit more oil if you need.